Aura Ross with the Mulholland Ross Real Estate Group, and I'm very excited to introduce you to our newest listing at 134 Charlton Boulevard in Toronto's Newtonbrook West community at Yonge and Finch. This amazing 5-level back split has huge rooms, big family-sized kitchen that walks out, 4 gorgeous bedrooms. The master has a beautiful ensuite bathroom. There's a family room that walks out to the backyard. Another lower level that's great for exercise room, parties. There's a gas fireplace, a wet bar, and still another level that you can use for a great media room or storage, whatever you like. Needless to say, tons of room for everyone at 134 Charlton Boulevard. Please take a look at the pictures. Give us a call if you're interested. I'm Aura with the Mulholland Ross Group, and we will see you in the neighborhood.